Morning all of you. Good morning everyone. Class 4 fine, are you ready? Are you ready for the computer class or not? Good morning everyone. Good morning beta. And nobody listen, you all please mute your own microphone. Students, please mute your own microphone. Class 4 Pine, please mute your own microphone. And listen to me. I hope my voice is clear and you can see the board clearly. Can you see the board clearly or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine, beta. And nobody will change the view. Please don't change the view and listen to me. One thing, and you know that chapter number 6 is going on, right? PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This chapter is going on, right? I discussed how to save your presentation. How to save your presentation. When you save your presentation, can you tell me what is the extension of the file? If you save a presentation, that means presentation means it will save, you make it in a PowerPoint. When you save your file in your presentation, what will be the extension? Can you tell me the extension of the PowerPoint file?
Ctrl+S.
No, that is the keyboard shortcut. I am telling that extension. When you save your presentation, by default one extension computer will take. That what is that? Such as in MS Word, when you save any file, .docx, yes, Ayan, very good. .pptx, .pptx, yes, .pptx. That means we can identify this file is a presentation file. Okay, this is a PowerPoint file. And if the extension is .docx, that means it is a Word file, MS Word file. Okay. Now you all please take out your computer book. Till how to save a presentation, previous class I discussed the shortcut key, the shortcut of save your presentation, Ctrl+S. Okay. And now I will discuss slideshow. How to show your slide, that is a slideshow. How to show your presentation, how to show your presentation to others also, and how you also show slideshow. Page number 84. Page number 84, you all please open. And now PowerPoint presentation you have in term 2, that means chapter number 6, 7 and 8. Okay, in them chapter number 6 only for PT2. Okay, chapter number 6 for PT2, and 7 and 6, 7, 8 all 3 chapters have in term 2, and PT2 only chapter number 6. Clear beta? Okay, and now listen, MS PowerPoint provides the options to combining all the slide. When we make a presentation, we suppose you make a presentation, in your presentation have 10 slides, and how to show your slide. And when you show your slide one by one, it is a slideshow. How? MS PowerPoint provides the option combining all the slide of a presentation into a slideshow. Into a slideshow, that means we can give a timing. We can set time one by one. We just timing over, then next slide will be changed. In this manner, we can show our slide, and by pressing the any key of the keyboard. Suppose you are making a presentation, there are 10 slides, and you want to show your slide, and then one by one slide will come. If you set the timing on the time, when the time will over, suppose in each slide you have given 10 seconds. When the 10 second will over, you can see that the next slide will change, and no need to press any key or anything. And now if you want to if you want to change your slide as per your choice, then you can press any keys from the keyboard, and then the next slide will move. Okay, in this manner also we can we can show our slide. This is called the slide show. Okay, and MS PowerPoint provides the options of combining all the slide of a presentation into a slideshow. It display all the slide in a presentation one by one on the screen. In a slideshow means one by one, whatever slides you have prepared for in a presentation. Suppose you make a presentation and there are 50 slides, then all the slide will show one by one. That is called a slideshow. Animation. What is the animation? Animation is a process. Animation is a process of creating an illusion that the thing is the... Please beta, mute your own microphone, otherwise you cannot listen my voice. Beta, please mute your own microphone. If you have any doubt, any questions, any queries, then you unmute and ask me, and then again mute it. An animation is a process of creating an illusion that the thing is in motion, and rapid display a sequence of images can create this illusion. That means you can make a presentation, you can give animation in your presentation, so that sometimes we can see a slide is just coming from the down. That is our animation. Sometimes we can see your presentation slides will comes from up. This is also animation. We can add the animation, we can give this feature in presentation. To run a slide, follow the given step. If you want to run your presentation in a run the slideshow, you have to follow these steps. What happened? Beta, please mute your own microphone. Students, please mute your own microphone. Now, very good. Now, to run the slide, follow the given steps. You have to follow these steps. First, click on the slideshow tab. In there are file tab, insert tab. You can see there is a tab slideshow. You just click on the slideshow tab and select either of the following option. And when you click the slideshow tab, in under of the slideshow tab, there is the options. Which one you want to see your presentation? You just choose that one. Suppose you have chosen Start Slideshow Group. There is from the slideshow group, from the beginning, starts the slideshow from the first slide. In this manner you can see it. From current slide, start the slide from the current slide. Your slide will start from the current, that means in which number, what number slide you are present now. From that slide, the slideshow will move, it will show. And the broadcast slideshow, broadcast that slideshow to remove the viewers. You can watch through the web browser, and the custom slideshow, display the slide you select. Which one you want to show the audience, only that slide you can choose. Suppose you make a presentation, there are 50 slides. You want to show only in them 15 slides. Important slide you want to show. So you can choose that particular slide, selected slide you can show. You can see as a slideshow. In this manner, you can set your views. Slideshow, it is a view to show your presentation. From the beginning means beginning to end, all the slide you can see. In this manner you can set your slideshow. And from the current slide, that means in which slide you are present, from that slide to rest of the slide it will show. And students, please mute your microphone, beta. Om, please mute your microphone. Shoptoy, mute your microphone. Now there is a broadcast the slideshow to remove viewers. You can watch it through the web browser. And another one is custom slideshow. Display the slide you select. Custom slide, which one slide you will select, only that slide you can see. These are the options. Here you can choose which view you required. Okay, then closing the PowerPoint presentation. How to close a PowerPoint presentation? After preparing the presentation, after showing how to close your presentation, click on the File tab. Click on the File tab. When you click on the File tab, the backstage view appears. When the backstage view appears, there is a close button in the left pane. The left pane, there is a close button. You just click on the close button. If your presentation is already shaped, then no problem. It is not shaped. Then one message will show it to you. On the screen, one message will come. Do you want to save your presentation? If there is an option, yes, save, don't save, and cancel. That means if you want to, if your presentation is not saved, it is unsaved, then you can save it, then click the save button. It will save and closed. If you wouldn't save your presentation, if you would not, then you just click don't save. And if you want to cancel from there, if just don't want to close the presentation, then cancel. Okay. Let's see, when you close button, the left pane, if the presentation is not shaped, a message will be displayed asking you to shape the changes you have made. That means after doing this, if you open the presentation and if you have make some changes in your presentation, after changing, obviously you have to save your presentation, otherwise the changes will not shaped in your presentation. Okay, and then without saving, if you want to close File, click the File tab. In under of the File tab, there is a close button in the left pane. You just close button. And then if you don't save the changes you have made, then if you don't save, then one message will show. Do you want to save your presentation? If you click the, and then three buttons, save, don't save, and cancel. If you want to save, then click the save. If you wouldn't, no need to save, then don't save. If you don't want to close the presentation, then cancel. Okay, save. If you want to save the changes, click the don't save. If you do not want to save the changes, and click cancel. If you want to return to the presentation, that means if you would not to close your presentation, then you have to click on the cancel button. Okay, and if you want, through the keyboard shortcut, if you want to close your presentation, the shortcut key, can you tell me the shortcut key of the close the presentation? Can you tell me? Very good. Control plus W for close your presentation. Control plus W. Okay. And opening a PowerPoint presentation, after preparing, you close, and the next day you feel that you want to show your presentation to someone, or you need to change some changes and you want to open. Then how? Yes, very good, Joita, very good, Rahul, Ayan, Oshnik, very good, beta. Now, if you want to open your presentation, open means whatever already exist in your machine, that file only you can open. If you don't save that file, if you want to open, you cannot open. Which one have in your machine already saved file, you can open. Okay, then click on the File tab. How to open your presentation? Click on the File tab. In under of the File tab, there is a option Open. In the left pane, there is a option Open. You just click the Open. When you click the Open, select the place from where you want to open the file. Then select the file. When you click on the open, then the file name will show, and which one you want to open and which manner you want to open. You just click that file name, select the file, and then double click on it, or after selecting the file, you just click on the Open button, and then selected file will open. then selected file will open. And can you tell me the shortcut of the to open your file? Yes, Control plus O. I told to write down. Okay, Control plus O for opening a file or a presentation. Okay, now you can see to run the slideshow from the start in MS PowerPoint. If you want to run your presentation, there from the keyboard there is a function key F5. F5 is used to run your slide. Yes, very good, Joita, Ayan, Rahul, Rajdeep. Okay, very good, beta. To run your presentation, we can use F5. Means F function key F5 is used to run your presentation. Okay, to run the slideshow from the start. From the beginning, the slideshow will display. The component of the MS PowerPoint, let's us recall the chapter. Okay, the chapter is already completed. Now, title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, file tab. What happened? Whose microphone still? Next, slide navigation pan, placeholder, and outline tab and notes pan. This already discussed. What is presentation? Can you tell me what is presentation? There is a buzzword. What is presentation? Presentation. What is presentation? Can you tell me? Please reply me. Presentation, it is a systemic or display of information on a particular topic. In a topic, if you want to discuss as in a slide, that is called a presentation. Slide, what is a slide? An individual page in a presentation is called a slide. Buzzword, next page, page number 86, beta. Placeholder, what is called the placeholder? Inside the placeholder, we can insert the picture. Placeholder, the dotted, yes, placeholder. Yes, placeholder is a dotted rectangular line. Inside it, we can insert the text, picture, and tables, etc. And the slideshow. What is the slideshow? A series of slides displayed one by one on the screen. What is slideshow? A series, it displayed one by one on the screen. Okay. Now today we will solve only the fill in the blanks, please. And the next of the part I will discuss next class. So you all please fill in the blanks, true, false, tick the correct, and the matching. This part we will solve in our book, and the rest of the part we will write in our copy. Now fill in the blanks in your book. You all please fill in. Page number 86. You all open number 1. 1A. The backstage view appears when you click on the dash tab. In which tab? In which tab? In File tab. Reply me quickly. Number 1, it is in File tab. Next, number B. Reply me on chat, beta. The backstage view appears when you click on the File tab. Only write the answer in the blank portion. File tab. The dash contains several tools or menus that are most frequently used in Office application. Which one? Quick access toolbar. Yes, Joita, not only the toolbar, this is called the quick access toolbar. Okay, frequently used tools and the menus we can use frequently. We used that one is called quick access toolbar. Write down quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Next, number C. An individual page in a presentation is called the dash. Very good, PL. Very good, Joita. No, beta, Joita, that is not only slide. Individual page is called a slide. And when we see the presentation one by one on the screen, that is called slideshow. Okay? And the individual page in a presentation is called the slide. Is called the slide. Next, number D, the keyboard shortcut to open a new slide. To keyboard shortcut to open a new slide in MS PowerPoint is Control plus N. Yes, Control plus N. Yes, very good. PL, CTRL, Control plus N to open a new slide. This is a shortcut key. Next, number E, a series. Rahul, very good. Ayan, very good. Next is the series of slides displayed one by one on the screen. The series of slides displayed one by one on the screen is called slide show. Yes, Rahul, PL, Ayan, very good, beta. Priyojit. Number E, slide show. Number E, slide show. SLIDE, slide show. SHOW. Okay. For today, this much. Next class, I will discuss from the excuse me, beta. From the next part, true, false. Okay. And nobody will leave the class. Now I will take your attendance. And if you have computer in your home, you all will practice all this. This is a fully a practical related chapter. We will make a presentation about any topic. Okay. For today this much. See you next class. Thank you.